Hello everyone, it's Cliff, back from a long hiatus, longer than I anticipated. That seems to be a running theme in most of these videos, unfortunately. But again, this is just a little hobby, so I'm going to try to stick to a schedule. But I went to vacation, or I went on vacation, if I do say, and I had like my birthday, a whole bunch of things, so I just been busy. All right, anyway, enough of that. Let's get to what's going to be the topic of this video, which is this sad looking box with not a sad looking box in it. So this is how Amazon decides to, ignore this part. That was me just tearing off the shipping label, so my address wasn't on it. But this is how Amazon decides to ship my phone, or my new phone. I opened it up and it's just like that. But as long as it's fine in there, I should be all right. It's not like it should be too fragile a device. Sometimes they ship hard drives like that. That's just absolutely terrible. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this. So, should I cover up? Should cover up the IMEI numbers. Okay, I'll just make sure not to show those. So this is a Sony Xperia 1. It says Xperia Mark 1 or Xperia 1 Mark 3, version 3. I don't know how to pronounce it actually. So this is going to be my new phone. This is replacing what is filming right now, which is my Galaxy S8, which has seen some better days. It's in good condition, but it's slowing down. The battery doesn't really last long. So as you can see, this is a pretty minimalistic box we got going on here. This is my finger covering up the IMEI numbers. We look on the back. Okay. So on the back, we can see we have, looks like 3 cameras, maybe 4 cameras, 3 cameras, 8 megapixel front-facing cameras, 16.5 centimeter, is that what that cm? But it's a 6.5 inch display, 4K HDR OLED, 4500 milliamp hour battery, Snapdragon 888, which is their latest CPU, I believe, from Qualcomm, the one that they're the newest as of right now. And the waterproof markings. We got a whole bunch of labels and stuff here. Let's see. Can I go off all these? Zeiss lens. Is that wireless? I don't know. That is obviously wireless. Micro SD, NFC, Bluetooth. So, all right. Let's go ahead. So let me get out my get this shame of a box out of here. Let's go ahead. Get this safety knife open. It's only held out by this one little tab over here. It looks like. I'll make sure to flip it the right way. And here we are. Just looks like right on top. Could I bend down my camera a little bit? Oh, let's see my feet get those out of there. And it's just a phone just resting right on top. Huh. Interesting. So, yep. There are the, it looks like 4 cameras. I think one's a 3D one, maybe on the bottom. Oops, if I could get this in frame. This is a really professional unboxing. So see, there is a USB-C port on the bottom. Get this centered. Trying to look, got to keep looking through the viewfinder. And there is a reason why I bought this phone. There is a headphone jack still. So one of the main reasons why I decided to go with this over the S21. So all right, so let me go ahead and get this out of the plastic. So there it is, 6.5 inches. It's all nice. It looks like it's got another plastic coating on. Cameras. Let's see what comes in the box. I'll put this to the side right now. And hopefully this is going to fix the audio issues that you're running into right now. Because you're probably only hearing this in mono. So that looks like some documentation guide. Quick start guide. Oh, safety instructions. This is documentation. It looks like a little quick start guide on how to get it up and running. Comes in the box. Not a lot for a premium phone. This is a 30 watt. Oh, see if I can focus. Can I turn this the right if I know my directions? Looks like it says 30 watt USB-C charger, USB-C plug or connector. And this is just a USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's really it. Not a lot. Wow. I mean, this is not necessarily a cheap phone. It's definitely not a cheap phone, but it's I thought for the price it'd come in a little bit more premium packaging. But I mean, it's not like this really matters. It's really the phone that matters. But that's really it. It was just this box, documentation, the charger and the USB cable, and the phone. I did get this in a combo. I bought this from Amazon, obviously, and it came with these Bluetooth earbuds. These were basically like $40 extra or something like that when I bought it. So it was just worth it to add it, even though I already have a set. I also have some accessories to go in it. I have a 512 gig SSD, a tempered glass screen protector, and a couple cases to try out. So if I can put it, if I can put it and hold on to it. So that's really it. There's not really much to unbox here. It's really just the phone. Feels pretty nice. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I might have to insert the SIM, but looks like on the side we have a couple buttons. Looks like a power button and a shutter button. So looks like this is the SIM card tray, I'm guessing. And then, like you said, there's just the USB-C headphone jack. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start basically setting this up, and then I will continue filming my videos on this phone. So, I mean, this is a really quick, really raw edited unboxing. It's just one quick take, but I just want to show you what's in the box, and I look forward to filming stuff in better quality with better quality audio. So, until next time, see you guys.